I'm wrapping up my day here Thursday at the shop. Still very slow at the pin map in Cinnaminson, New Jersey here. It's very strange to the phone calls we're getting, the people who are showing up, and I don't know. It's the twilight zone. So I finished up the Bentley. Yes, Bentley at the M shop. Bentley for curb rim repair. They didn't want a full restoration. They just wanted the curb rash removed and blend that wheel in. That came out very well for what they were willing to pay for. That was the used car dealer car. They also sent me another car, which was a Volvo wagon for a wheel restoration. Looks like it's been sitting in the water forever and ever and ever. The wheels were just completely rust pitted and scaling everywhere. So this is 3 here that are just drying overnight, and then I'll show you. This wheel here is finished. I don't have a flashlight to give you a better view of that. These are actually two-tone wheels. It was a dark gray inlay. I just one color for these wheels. They were so bad. The Volvo XC, baby. So this is on the car. The other ones are still drying. Since we finished them, we'll just put them on the car tomorrow morning and get them out. These were so difficult to do. They were so contaminated. There was oil actually coming out of the aluminum, which was very, very strange. When I had to, these were so bad I had to actually burn them down, and you can actually see the oil coming out of the pores in the wheels, which was weird. It wasn't moisture. I've cooked many rims before. I never had this substance coming out of the aluminum, which was ridiculous. And these 3 wheels were a pain in the ass, and that other wheel over there was sand, scuff, clean, dry, spray, and go. These were miserable. So has anyone ever seen oil come out of Volvo cast aluminum wheels underneath all the paintwork? It was crazy. It wasn't moisture because I've done this 1,000 times. Escalade's still sitting here. Customers on vacation. Let's see what tomorrow brings. Thanks for watching. My hopes are high, but it is what it is.